Okay, the respiratory system. First of all, how do we breathe? Well, the main part of the respiratory system are the lungs. As you can see, I have a picture of them right here. So, you breathe when your lungs puff up and when you inhale. And then when you exhale, they deflate. Well, where does the air go? First of all, the air comes through your nose or your mouth, depends, and passes through your nasal passages. And then from there, it goes to the trachea or windpipe, and then your trachea splits into two tubes, the bronchi, which lead into your lungs. And then the bronchi is separated into smaller and smaller and smaller things, like tiny little trees. See right there? That looks like a tree. So, yeah. And what is inhalation? Well, inhalation is when you breathe in. And exhalation, the opposite of inhalation, is when you breathe out. So, what are 3 ways that your body cleans the respiratory system? Well, first of all, small hairs in your nose filter the dust and air and other yucky stuff. And then that's what makes boogers. It's kind of disgusting. So, number 2, goblet cells release sticky mucus that help trap the dirt. So then your, booger thingy jeans can capture it, and then you can blow your nose and dig it up. Number 3, there are these tiny hair stuffers that sweep the particles so you can cough it up. And define carbon dioxide. Well, defining carbon dioxide is sort of confusing. Well, for me it is, but yeah. And then carbon dioxide is a waste that is made by cells that passes from the blood to the air in the lungs and is put out when we exhale. It's confusing. Okay, so why do you breathe harder when you exercise? Well, just like this guy right here, the soccer person, number 11, he breathes harder because then he can work harder. And when you breathe harder, your muscles can get more oxygen and other minerals and stuff like that can keep them going. Just like in the mile. And it's hard. Painful also. So, how do the muscles know how to work faster? Well, when they know when the level of oxygen in the blood gets too low, and then the brain sends a message that tells the lungs to work harder. And what is the best way to keep your respiratory system healthy? Well, it's not to smoke, because then your lungs would get stuffed up with smoke and things like that. So, thanks for watching, and bye.